How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my vintage Johan 1/25th scale Fast Eddie Schartman's Pro Stock Comet Boss 429. As you can see right here, here's the beautiful box art. The box is old, it's got a lot of wear on it. He's right here, tells about Fast Eddie Schartman right here. He also raced a Maverick, which I don't have that. I don't have Fast Eddie's Maverick, but that's one of them I'm looking for, guys. I need that in the box. I will have it one of these days. I don't care what it's going to set me back, I will have. And I love these old Johan Mavericks and Comets. And so this one right here, you can see the box. Look at that, $2 brand new when you bought it back then. There's the side. I'm not for sure what year this come out, but I would think around 70, 71. I would think 72 maybe. But there's the box. Alright, let's open her up. Looky there. Competition yellow. Alright. Here's the glass. The glass, you know, it's been in there for a long time rattling around. It's got a little bit of, you know, scuffs on it and everything, but hey, the glass is still good. It's not cracked. It's not broke. Let's move this out of the way here. You got the tires. They look very good, but before we get that going, let's look at the instructions. Let's see here. Alright. Mercury Comet Pro Stock. Let's look at the instructions here. Boy, you got your big old 429 Ford engine. Boy, she's beautiful. You got your transmission, your bell housing, oil pan. Boy, you got you got your tunnel ram. I mean, you got two different options there. That's pretty cool. Your headers. And it shows, put your wheels and tires, everything in there. Let's go to the next page here. You got your racing seat, you got your firewall, you got your steering wheel. Looks like a little tack gauge thing. You got your roll cage, shifter, racing seat. You can see right here you got your hood scoop, firewall, your whatever this piece is called right here, radiator wall, radiator. Shows you putting it all together. Pretty simple. It's not much to it. There's really not much to these at all. Put that aside. Let's set that aside for last. Let's check out, well, a couple of the wheels has come off. The chrome is very bright. Let's see, you got a bumper. It should be in there. Off of it. Hope the camera's doing this justice. As old as that is, the chrome is still looking fairly decent on it. There is your steering wheel and your radiator support and your firewall and carburetors, engine parts. Y'all have a good look at that. Looking fairly good. Very minimal flash on it, believe it or not. Well, there's the back bumper. See, it was in there. Look at that. Not very many chrome trees on this at all. Look at that. You got your headers, your racing seats, your looks like your little carburetor stuff going on there. Not necessarily carburetors, but that might be carburetors. Your engine block's got some flash, transmission. You got a different tunnel ram looking thing. I guess two different style tunnel rams. Roll cage. It looks pretty good. Looking good. Let's see what else is in here. You got your hood with your hole cut out. Got some detail underneath the hood. Looking fairly good. That's your dash. Looking good. Hood scoop. All 4 wheel backs. Nothing surprising there. And your little wheel rods. And this is right there. It says the date, 1970. That's 72 Comet. Right there, 72. This model, let's see, I was born in 71, so it's just a year younger than me. There are the wheels. Those are some awesome, beautiful wheels. And a few miscellaneous parts in there we're not going to pull out, but let's take this apart. There is your interior tub, back seat delete. It's got some good detail in there. It's fine detail, but it's in there. Looks pretty good. And then here's your chassis plate. Of course, you know, everything's molded in, typical Johan. But one thing you do notice from the stock version, there is no single exhaust in here for the 6-cylinder version. So you can see where the muffler was and the exhaust would have went. So they deleted that out for this version, for the Pro Stock version. Move that over to the side. And there is that beautiful, sexy body. Look at that. Mercury. Boy, that's sexy rear end right there. Oh, yeah. You guys can have your supermodels. This is what I find sexy. Oh, yeah. She's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. Beautiful. That's a vintage piece of plastic right there. Now, guys, I don't have the original decals for it, but I do have a set of Slicks decals for the Comet and for the Maverick. So if I ever get me a Fast Eddie Maverick, I got the decals for it too. These are Slicks decals. You can see right here. This is the version right here. That's your Comet. And then here was Fast Eddie's Maverick, which I don't have that model, but one of these days I will. That's on the list right there to get. Alright, guys. That's an unboxing right there, and I'm going to build this in appreciation to old Fred Henry, old Pappy. And I will build it sometime this year. Alright, guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me give you one more shot of that box. Oh, that's a beautiful box. Alright, guys, I'm out.